BA Performance Producing and Management at USW is a place in which you can help make change in the world of theatre and media. So it's a really exciting course. It's looking to the world of production in theatre and creative arts and saying actually we need a broader range of people making different types of work. I think students will love the interaction with industry that we have in this course, so there are placements all 3 years. They're collaborating with other students to help them enable and make productions, and they're really able to explore the work that they want to produce and make in the world. And then Cardiff's a really great place to come here. There's TV, there's film, there's theatre work. We have regular placements for the students in year 1, 2 and 3. You might work with a company that mainly uses BSL 1 year or work with a national organisation the next, and it helps you kind of develop a broad range of skills and really think about where do I sit, what are the things and works that I want to make as a producer.